Smartphones have become an essential part of our daily lives, connecting people across the globe with just a tap of a screen. But have you ever wondered how companies like Samsung manage to produce billions of smartphones with cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and powerful performance, all at an astonishing speed? From raw materials to final assembly, the production of a Samsung smartphone is a highly complex and automated process that takes place in some of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world. Every step, from designing the chips to testing the final product, is optimized for efficiency, quality, and innovation. But what goes on inside Samsung's massive production plants? How does the company churn out millions of devices every month while maintaining strict quality standards? Let's take an exclusive look inside Samsung's high-tech smartphone manufacturing process to uncover the secrets behind its billion-dollar empire. The history of Samsung's smartphone empire. Samsung's journey into the smartphone industry began long before the rise of modern touchscreen devices. Founded in 1938 as a trading company in South Korea, Samsung gradually expanded into electronics in the 1970s. By the early 2000s, it was already a major player in the mobile phone industry. But it wasn't until 2010, with the launch of the first Samsung Galaxy S, that the company revolutionized the smartphone market. With its focus on high-performance hardware, innovative design, and aggressive research and development, Samsung quickly became the world's largest smartphone manufacturer. Today, Samsung dominates the global smartphone industry, competing with tech giants like Apple and Xiaomi, producing over 300 million smartphones every year. But the key to Samsung's success isn't just its massive production volume. It's the company's ability to design, manufacture, and assemble its own components, giving it an unmatched level of control over quality and performance. The Samsung smartphone production process. The production of a Samsung smartphone is a fascinating mix of advanced automation, human precision, and cutting-edge engineering. Each phone goes through dozens of steps, ensuring that the final product meets the highest industry standards. Step 1. Designing the future. Before a smartphone reaches production, it begins as an idea in Samsung's R&D labs. Here, engineers and designers work on the next generation display technology, camera systems, and processor chips. Every new smartphone model undergoes extensive prototyping and testing before it is approved for mass production. Samsung is unique in that it manufactures many of its own components, including processors, Exynos chips, OLED displays, and batteries. This level of in-house production reduces costs and gives Samsung an advantage over competitors who rely on third-party suppliers. Once a final design is approved, the phone moves into the manufacturing phase, where raw materials are transformed into state-of-the-art smartphones. Step 2. Chip manufacturing, the brain of the smartphone. Every smartphone relies on a powerful processor to handle apps, calls, gaming, and multitasking. Samsung manufactures its own chips at Samsung semiconductor factories using nanometer-scale transistors that pack billions of circuits into a tiny space. This process, known as chip fabrication, takes place in ultra-clean environments, where highly automated robotic systems print and etch circuits onto silicon wafers. These wafers are then cut into individual Exynos processors, which will power Samsung's flagship devices. Samsung also manufactures RAM, storage chips, and 5G modems, making it one of the few smartphone companies with full control over its core technologies. Step 3. Display production, Samsung's secret weapon. One of Samsung's biggest strengths is its OLED display technology, which powers everything from smartphones to TVs and smartwatches. Samsung's OLED displays are regarded as the best in the industry, featuring deep blacks, vibrant colors, and energy efficiency. The display manufacturing process involves layering ultra-thin organic materials onto a glass or flexible plastic substrate, allowing Samsung to create curved, foldable, and even rollable screens. These displays are tested for durability, brightness, and color accuracy before they are ready for smartphone assembly. Once complete, the displays are transported to Samsung's smartphone assembly plants, where they will be installed into new devices. Step 4. Smartphone assembly, where everything comes together with all components ready the final assembly of a Samsung smartphone begins. This process takes place in high-tech production facilities in South Korea, Vietnam, and India. Samsung's largest smartphone factory is located in Noida, India, capable of producing over 120 million devices annually. The assembly line is a seamless mix of human workers and robotic arms, ensuring that every component is placed with extreme precision. The motherboard, battery, camera, and display are carefully fitted into the smartphone's frame. Automated screwdrivers, laser alignment tools, and robotic arms perform tasks with unmatched accuracy. One of the most critical steps in assembly is the battery installation process. Samsung learned from past battery issues and now implements strict safety measures, including multi-layer shielding, heat management systems, and rigorous testing to ensure batteries are safe and reliable. After assembly, the device is moved to the software installation phase, where Samsung's One UI software is loaded onto each phone. Every device is then tested to ensure its cameras, speakers, sensors, and touchscreen function perfectly. Step 5. Quality control and testing. Before any Samsung smartphone is shipped to stores, it must pass rigorous quality control tests. Each phone undergoes a series of automated and manual tests to ensure it meets Samsung's high standards. Drop tests simulate real-world impacts, checking the phone's durability against accidental drops. Water resistance tests ensure that IP-rated devices can withstand splashes and submersion. Temperature stress tests expose smartphones to extreme heat and cold, guaranteeing they perform reliably in any environment. Samsung also conducts network testing, ensuring that every phone can connect seamlessly to 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth networks without interference. Once a phone passes all tests, it is packaged and prepared for shipment. Step 6. Packaging and global distribution. Once approved, smartphones are sent to the final packaging stage, where they are boxed, labeled, and sealed for distribution. Samsung uses smart packaging systems to reduce waste, incorporating recycled materials into its phone boxes and accessories. With billions of devices being shipped worldwide, logistics play a crucial role in Samsung's success. Smartphones are packed into containers and sent to retailers, warehouses, and online stores, ready for customers around the world. Samsung's ability to manufacture and distribute smartphones at such a massive scale is one of the reasons it remains the leading smartphone brand globally. Samsung's ability to produce billions of smartphones is a testament to its technological expertise, advanced automation, and efficient supply chain. From chip manufacturing to final assembly, every step of the process is optimized for quality, speed, and innovation. By manufacturing many of its own components, processors, displays, batteries, and software, Samsung has built a self-sufficient ecosystem, allowing it to stay ahead of the competition. As technology continues to evolve, Samsung is already working on the next generation of foldable, AI-powered, and 6G-enabled smartphones. The future of mobile technology is being shaped inside Samsung's factories, where innovation never stops. Would you choose a Samsung smartphone over its competitors? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into the world of technology and manufacturing.